Got some Jack in the Box. Hey guys, so today is Vlogmas day 6 and me and Trey haven't really, we've ran errands and everything a lot today. Like we went to Home Depot and Trey bought his parents a blow up thing, inflatable thing for their early Christmas present. So we took that to them and then we went to Target because I did a Target pickup for the narwhal light up thing. It's still in the back of my car because I'm gonna take it to our storage unit, or I might take it, bring it inside and light it up, maybe, I don't know. But it looks like this. And then of course we needed some other things, so I got that. That's still in the back of my car. And then I also got some other stuff because it was like a sale that was going on. So I got these like rustic things. So this is like the car. It's a little presents on top, and then it has a little wreath. Very festive. Oh, it also has the lights. And then the other one I got is the truck version of it, which is very cute. I really think these are really cute. And then of course we got some other stuff. I got a new mason jar because Wilson over here broke one of my mason jar things that I have that was holding flour in it, and it came in like a set. But the one that we got, I kind of don't like how it looks, and I might just take it back, honestly, but I don't know. And then I wanted to make sugar cookies and use my cookie cutter that I got, but I don't have margarine. It's like a different type of, it's like butter but not butter. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah. So I thought I would go ahead and open up this advent calendar with y'all instead of like filming it on TikTok and stuff, since literally all I've been doing is doing laundry and cleaning, and then I cook dinner, even though we're probably not hungry because, as I showed y'all, we got Jack in the Box earlier, and we also ate like a late dinner or lunch, obviously. Well, Trey ate a late breakfast, I should say, because he woke up at 11, and I've been doing laundry, and then I just realized that I still have to do schoolwork because I'm still in school. I totally forgot about that. So I'm just gonna end up opening this up with y'all on camera, but I'll do that in a little bit since I still gotta do school. Oh, and then I also cut myself on some glass on my feet, on both feet. If I can get the sock off. They've hurt so bad. So I cut myself on top of this foot. It's my left foot. And then on my right foot. I got cut on the bottom. So I've been like struggling to walk around, and it just hurts. I thought it was dirt, so then I rubbed it on my left foot. I ended up cutting myself, and oh my god, it hurts so bad. And then I saw the blood and I was just like, oh nope, no, can't do that. So yeah, that's what's been happening today. He fell asleep on me like this within like 5 seconds. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. Now Wilson is in the Target bag, sleeping. He's so cute and so funny. I also almost forgot about doing the chocolate advent calendar. So we're gonna do day 5 and day 6. Listen. So we're gonna do day 5 and day 6 since I didn't do it yesterday. So here's day 5. And it's a, what is it? Oh, it looks like a bag of whatever. Like a bag of Christmas toys. Okay.
What?
That's that one. And then day 6 is right here. Where did we? Oh, it looks like a present. It's a little present. So yeah. Those are those two. And very soon I'm gonna open the bath bomb one. Okay, so now we're gonna open up this. So we're gonna start with obviously day 1. So here's day 1. Oh my gosh. Oh, hi Wilson. Wilson, you're in the way. This isn't for you. No, these aren't cat toys. No. Oh my gosh, how do they expect you to get this out? There we go. This is the first bath bomb. But the thing is, it doesn't tell you the scents on them. Oh, Wilson. Oh gosh. He's getting in the bag again. Okay. This is the first one. It's like an orangey, it's like a coral color with some white specks in it. And I can't tell what it smells like, and it doesn't tell you what they smell like. I don't think. No, it doesn't. It doesn't tell you what it smells like. So now we're gonna open up day 2. And we got a purple one this time. I'm not even gonna try to take them out. And then here's day 3. And it's a pinkish reddish color with some white specks in it. And then day 4. Oh, is a blue one. And then day 5. Is a purplish pinkish color. Day 6. There's a bluish greenish color. I think they all smell the same because I'm getting the same scent. There's a yellow one. Day 8. It's like a purplishy whitish color. And then day 9 is a like limeish greenish color with the like white in it. And then day 10 looks like it's a bluish color, but it has like a snowman in the middle. That's cute. Day 11 is a red one, but it has Santa Claus in the middle. No, focus on the Santa Claus. And then last but not least, day 12, if I can get it to open, is a white bath bomb, but with a blue snowflake in it. So that's all the bath bombs. I hope you enjoyed watching day 6 of Vlogmas, even though it wasn't that entertaining, but it's okay. I still did something. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed. I don't know why I put that back in there. Whatever. Okay. But I hope y'all enjoyed watching day 6 of Vlogmas, and I'll see y'all guys tomorrow. Bye guys!